In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix paragraph spacing in Google Docs. If your document looks oddly cramped or full of unexpected gaps, you're likely dealing with paragraph spacing or line spacing settings. Let's clean that up so your text looks polished and consistent. First, open your web browser and search for Google Docs. Click the official Google Docs link to open it. If you're asked to sign in, just log in with your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're in, load the document you want to fix. You can open a recent file from your list or use the file picker to find the right one. Next, decide how much of the document you want to adjust. If it's just a section, drag to highlight that text. If you want to fix everything at once, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on a Mac to select the entire document. Selecting only what you need lets you preserve any areas that are already formatted correctly. Now look at the top toolbar and find the line and paragraph spacing icon. It looks like horizontal lines with a small up and down arrow. Click it to open the spacing menu. For quick fixes between paragraphs, use the options to add space before paragraph or remove space after paragraph. Adding space before helps separate headings or sections without extra blank lines. Removing space after is great for getting rid of those stubborn gaps that appear beneath each paragraph. If these presets don't give you the exact look you want, you can dial in precise values. Open the same line and paragraph spacing menu and choose custom spacing at the bottom. In the paragraph spacing section, you'll see boxes for before and after. Enter the values you want there. Setting both to 0 removes all extra gaps between paragraphs, so spacing is controlled only by line breaks. These values are measured in points, so small numbers like 4 to 12 can make subtle, professional-looking adjustments. When you're happy with the numbers, click Apply to confirm the changes. If the text inside a single paragraph feels too tight or too airy, adjust the line spacing using the same line and paragraph spacing icon. Choose Single for a standard, compact look with no extra padding. Pick 1.15 or 1.5 for a bit more breathing room, which improves on-screen readability. Select Double for wide spacing, which some academic formats require. Take a final look through your document to make sure the spacing is consistent. With these adjustments, your paragraphs and lines should now look neat, intentional, and easy to read.